इंडिया आघाडी संदर्भातली मोठी बातमी आहे। तर इंडिया आघाडीचे कार्यकर्ते आता सेबीकडे तक्रार करण्यासाठी गेलेले आहेत।
रिगार्डिंग द मॅनिप्युलेशन स्कॅम
तर अमित शहांनी विधान केलेलं होतं लोकसभा निवडणुका होण्यापूर्वी 4 कंपन्यांचे शेअर्स घेण्यासंदर्भात आणि त्याच संदर्भात आता ही तक्रार करण्यासाठी इंडिया आघाडीचे नेते पोहोचलेले आहेत आणि सेबीकडे ही तक्रार आता दाखल करण्यात येते।
Mr. Bhatia and 2 others were also present. Initially they said about the performance of the SEBI, what are the SEBI is doing, SEBI's function, etc. We said that exactly that is the reason we have come, that SEBI had a glorious role in the past and now we are having a confidence on the SEBI. That's the reason we have come and seeking for an investigation in respect of the matters that manipulation of the stock market by reason of the misleading exit poll for the Lok Sabha election 2024. Now these exit poll agencies is there whether they are having any political connections with the political leaders or not. Where on third there was a scarce by reason of the exit poll. That is third, it has been increased, and fourth, it has been crashed. Now, because within the 24 hours, 30 lakh crores money have been lost by the investors, small investors. But one lady, wife of Chandrababu Naidu, has earned 521 crores. There are other examples are there where the politicians have earned, their families have earned huge monies, huge profit. During the election, during the poll, Amit Shah repeatedly said in various election campaign, purchase it on 4th. Purchase it on 4th. Say,
purchase it early, 4th you will
yes,
get
purchase early and
4th you will get benefit.
4th you will get the benefit. Then these types of person, who is he? Home Minister of the country. Is he having a link with this media? And all the time these oppositions are saying these exit polls are being done by the Godi media itself. Like, our pinpointing allegations are there against them. Therefore, we need an investigation to instill confidence amongst the people at large. An investigation is needed. An investigation is needed. Who has done, whether it has been done or not. Now this question remains, if this type of exit poll continues, in future there would be also this share scam. Whether this exit poll is being done for the profit of some politicians or the agencies who are doing it. Who are there? Who are they in the agencies? Whether any relationships are there with the political persons or not. Who are they? Or what is the output? On what basis? What is the scientific basis? You see, 7th phase election was continuing up to 6 o'clock officially. The announcement.